South Africa is famous for its wildlife, but not like this. Hidden away from the crowds lies one of the most underrated locations in the country, a place alive with sound, movement and birds everywhere you look. For the next 4 days, I'm stepping into the world of bird photography, chasing light, tracking flight, trying to capture movements most people miss. No safaris, no big five, just patience and the camera. This is bird photography at its best, and in one of South Africa's best kept secrets. So let's go and see what happens.
So we are on a hiking trail that goes up the mountain, as you can see there. So I've got my camera and my binoculars. Gonna have a look and see what I can find. There's quite a lot of sunbirds that I've seen. I haven't even taken a picture on the camera today at all. So yeah, let's see what we find and hopefully we get after some good stuff. So there is a buff streaked chat at the back there. Gonna try to get closer. It's a male, so absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna try and sneak up on him. I have a bit of a cold, but I'm gonna get up there and see if I can get some better pictures. But that is lifer number 3. So let's see if I can sneak up a bit closer. It's absolutely perfect conditions because the sun is shining. And don't know if you can see it, but I'll try to get a bit of a closer look. So I just heard a fish eagle around. It should be flying. Just don't know where. But I'll definitely... There, it just called again. I'll definitely keep an eye open for it. And I'm gonna see if I can get some pictures. At the moment there's not a lot of birds. But I'll have a look. And just to look at this amazing view. So yeah, I'm gonna get after it and see what I can find. Okay, so those birds just flew, but yeah, it's still there. I'm just gonna have a look for what it is. It's the other little brown bird that I can't identify, but we're gonna head along. We are now in the Verloren Vallei area. So you can see all of these swallows just flying around, white-breasted swallows, but we're gonna have a look for what else we can find, and yeah, should be a pretty productive morning. Okay, so we are finally at the entrance of Verloren Vallei Nature Reserve, or the reception rather. But we just did a route at the back of there. And I found some pretty cool stuff already. A few jackal buzzards, and a few other stuff. Couldn't exactly remember. Yeah, mountain wagtail. I couldn't photograph it, but anyway. So we are just going to head this way. There's like a little route there. And we're gonna see what we can find. So there's quite a lot of birds in these trees. want to see if I can. There's one there. Just see if I can actually figure out what they are. Okay, there goes one. So I have to be super careful, because if the one flies, then the rest are comfortable to fly as well. So. Okay, so we just got a malachite sunbird, so I'm really happy. I didn't get very good pictures, but we also found a grey-winged francolin at the back there, which is quite a nice one. I didn't get pictures, but it definitely is one. But yeah, we're gonna get on. I got some really nice pictures of grey longclaw, which I'll include in the video. We almost lost the map, but we're just gonna go through here now and see what we can find.
Unfortunately, I could not film any more for you guys, but I got loads of more pictures. So enjoy that, and I'll see you on the next one.